Hey there, Pauline here from Subtl Beauty, and happy spring. The weather's getting warmer. That means rosé season is upon us. So I'm gonna be doing a quick rosé spring-inspired look using a short little stack today. So if you wanna see how to get this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my base on. I'm just gonna use a little bit of their concealer. I'm in the shade Arlington under my eyes, and I like to use this little pad that comes at the bottom of almost all stacks. I like this because, number one, you're not getting messy on your finger, but it also just disperses the product really evenly and nicely. It's almost like a flat little sponge, which I just really like for everyday looks. I like to put it just on the high points. I'm a little tired today. Allergies are kicking in along with the spring season. And from there, I'm gonna go in with Dusty Rose. I'm gonna use this on my cheeks. So this color is really cool because it's pinkish, but it's a little on the warmer side. You can see here that the pigment looks quite full when you first take it out, but as you disperse it, it really shears out. It's another thing that I love about the Subtl lip and cheeks. And because this is on the warmer side, I actually like to just pull this up in my hairline a little bit, almost like a bronzer contour situation. Put a little on your nose to give you a little bit of a summery spring flush. I'm starting to see the sun again. And then I'm actually gonna also use the shade Mauve. This is a little more pinky. I'm gonna just mix that right on top of the Dusty Rose for lip and cheek. And that's another thing I love, that you can mix and match the shades together so nicely. I'm gonna use Mauve on my lip, and then I'm actually gonna do another combo for my outer eye. These are so multi-use. You can use them for lip and cheek, obviously, but I also love to use these for just a little outer corner shade. And they just buff so nicely into the skin. And the more you blend, the more sheer they get, and you can obviously just use your fingers. So my last step from the stack is going to be using the rosé highlighter. This is a more pink highlighter that you can use in a few different places, so I'll show you. So I'm gonna take one of the Subtl travel brushes. This is obviously what I've been using for bronzer, but I'm gonna use it for the rosé highlight, and I'm just gonna top it on the cheeks where light is naturally hitting, as well as on the eyes, on the nose. I'm gonna use my finger for the eyes. I'm gonna just do a little bit in the inner corner to kind of like blend in with that Dusty Rose Mauve mix that we put on the outside. Now this is a powder formula, but it dries down really nicely. It doesn't look too matte or anything. And then you can always just layer from there. Totally up to you. So now I'm gonna add a little bronzer, put on some mascara, bring my brows out, and the look will be finished. Alright, so this is the final spring rosé inspired look. I hope this inspires you to have fun with your stack in honor of the new season. We'll be back with more tutorials, tricks, and tips very soon, so stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys!